Just arrived to Saudi in Riyadh, and very excited about this. It's a new market, new journey. I'm looking forward to the new experiences and opportunities that are coming my way. It's actually it's Monday 9th, so I'm in Riyadh and preparing myself for the interview. I'm going to be interviewing Saudi customs executives, their heads of departments, assessing them so that we can create a development plan for them at a later stage. So anyway, I got 4 interviews that I'm working on. Very interesting people to meet and learn about their experiences. We've been working non-stop with interviews. Every day I have 4 interviews with 4 different managers. Every manager, I'll interview them for 2 hours, write reports that are massive reports. By the end of the day, you know, your brain is fried and you're trying to catch up on some work in Dubai and get things done so that I can go back and train. So preparing outlines, proposals, invoices, creating course material. So it's a bit of a chaotic but very busy time. So I'm very excited about that. Plus doing business development for contracts with Saudi, meeting new people, consultants, getting new accounts. It's all condensed within 5 days. It's very exciting and also very demanding. Just arrived to Abu Dhabi. Came back on Thursday from Saudi, Riyadh. Rested a couple of days, Friday and Saturday. Was fucking exhausted. So anyway, tomorrow we're talking about leadership, 2 days, and then I stay a day in Dubai, and then I fly off to Azerbaijan, which is involved with Chopard, because the middleman between us decided to call me back and say, we will give you the amount that you want, and we're gonna go ahead with it. So I'm gonna go there, give these guys an epic motivational / sales oriented training, and then probably might stay for a day there and do some sightseeing and then come back to Dubai. The training is at 9. Gotta be there 1 hour before. Be there 1 hour before so that make sure that everything's ready. Anyway, meanwhile, I'm gonna do some stretching, do some work. This is what happens in an entrepreneur's life. Chaos happens, and then you have to deal with it. You know, if you panic, you know, things don't get done. So we have to stay calm. Even though inside I'm freaking out, but I'm still calm. Yes, boss. How are you?
What is your sound? What dripping sound?
Today, water dripping. All day, smell. I don't know why.
Yesterday coming here, somebody not here. My supervisor also coming here, waiting.
Yeah, but boss, your company is going to kill me. I called them. You said I'm going to the neighbor. No one talked to me ever. No one told me anything. Khalas, gone. I kept calling them. I told them, go check the neighbor. They keep coming back and telling me, what time do you want us to come? I'm like, it's not my apartment. Go to the neighbor. Now we're gonna go to meet regarding after tomorrow's training with Chopard.
Going down.
We're gonna fight because they booked my flight in the middle of the day, not even the middle of the morning. And then we're gonna get over it, and then
Second basement.
we're gonna come back for these maintenance people
Going up.
so that they can make another mistake. And then we can yell and shout at each other again.
Another round, yeah?
Huh?
Another round of
Another
that.
round, because I need it. This is what I require right now. You're from Kenya,
Yeah.
and you're telling me that, sometimes lions and tigers and hyenas just pop up,
Yeah.
just
Out of nowhere.
out of nowhere.
Yeah.
You're going to buy some milk, and then suddenly you're being attacked by a hyena.
Hyenas.
Damn, that's the jungle.
Yeah, that's the jungle, man.
That's the jungle,
They've
man.
killed a couple of children, even old people.
Really?
Most likely the people who can't run. If you can run, you
course.
get away. So
So
the
they-
old guys, the children, or if you're drunk. Oh man.
Imagine you're just like going out to the pub, and then suddenly you got attacked by a lion while you're, tipsy. If you're not physically and mentally, spiritually, emotionally fit, you're not going to be able to cope with the demands of life. So you feel like you're threatened. So that's why they talk about, being a predator. Because when you're a predator, you can live in the jungle. We talked about Chopard and what's going to happen in Chopard. We discussed what are the changes and everything. This is a very important client. We're going to give them the best service and quality material and training. So I'm not going to do the training tomorrow. I'm going to be tight on time. I'm going to arrive late if I go ahead and travel at 10 or at 11 or 2 in the morning. So we canceled it. We're going to postpone it. And now we're going to go tomorrow at 11 to make sure that we're there, we're stable, we're ready, and we're fresh. All right? Check you later.
It's getting serious on this track, fam.
Guys, I'm in Baku, beautiful Baku of Azerbaijan. We're here to train Chopard. Tomorrow's session is going to be all about motivation, excitement, and looking forward to it. So let the games begin. Let's finish the session with Chopard. It was an amazing session, full of energy, full of excitement. We talked about great things, major things that they need to think about. How do rich people think? How do they act? Where do they go? What kind of problems they have in their lives? What kind of cars they drive? Basically, everything about rich people. How they act, how do they behave, how do they think, what's important to them, what are their beliefs, what are their values, so that you're going to be able to sell to these people. Because selling to rich people is totally different than selling to people that are not very rich. I want you to say inside of your head, he can't do this, he's only trying. Okay? See what happens? 1, 2, 3. Okay. Very good. Got a lot of value. I'm sure this is going to change their game and take it to a whole new level. So, I'm very happy with what we did. Isn't that right, Tariq? Yes. Yes, so very, very happy. It was an amazing session, very strong, high intensity, yelling and screaming and shouting and, intensifying their emotions. very proud of what we did. We just finished an awesome session, analytical thinking here in Dubai Islamic Bank. Now we're gonna hop on a plane and go to Beirut, where I have a leadership training. I'm probably gonna stay after that for 2 days, sit with the family, because I haven't seen them since February. Yeah, so it's been a while. We have some catching up to do. Every person here is a leader, whether you have a team or not. Because you are leading yourself first. If you don't know how to lead yourself effectively, you're not going to be able to lead other people. It's common sense. Okay? Plus, they're not going to listen to me because I don't lead by example. مثل هيدول اللي مثلا بيقولوا لي مثلا like our team's motivation is very low. Can you do something about that? I'm like, what's the problem? They're like, you show up late. What time do you show up? Well, I show up at 10. So how are you expecting the team to show up early if you're not showing up early? You know? So I have to lead myself first. We're in Beirut. Where's my baby? Baby, are you okay? We got my dad over here. Finished doing some training yesterday and the day before, and now we're gonna do some sightseeing. What's up? We're in Beit Din. Oh my god, this is my brother.
Oh shit.
Don't do that to the viewers.
Hi.
How are you?
So, we're coming to visit Beit Din. Who the hell? Beit Din. What do you do?
Fakhruddin, I have no idea.
Yeah, you have to know this about my brother. He acts like he knows what he's talking about, but he has no idea. This is my other brother, by the way. Kareem, say hi.
Hi.
I mean, my best friend. He looks like a bouncer, but he's a friendly guy. The magic used to happen with Fakhruddin right here.